Unraveling Idioms, Spitting Nails in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, the place where English language learning becomes easy and fun. Today, we have a really interesting phrase to explore: spitting nails. You may have heard it in movies, read it in books, or come across it in conversations. But what does it actually mean? Stay tuned as we dive into the expression, its meaning, and how to use it in everyday English. When someone says they're spitting nails, they don't mean it literally. It's an idiom, a type of figurative language where the phrase's meaning isn't related to the actual words. If a person is spitting nails, they are extremely angry or furious to a point where they can hardly contain their rage. It's a vivid expression that creates a strong image of someone so angry that they could spit out nails. The origin of spitting nails isn't crystal clear, but it's believed to have come from the way people describe intense emotion with physical actions. The phrase captures the intensity of someone's anger as being so fierce, they could eject something as hard as nails from their mouth. This kind of imagery is common in English and many other languages to express extreme emotions. Let's put our idiom into some examples. 1. After finding out about the broken vase, Mom was spitting nails. 2. My boss started spitting nails when he realized the project was behind schedule. 3. I was spitting nails when I saw my phone bill this month. These examples show that you can use spitting nails to describe someone's reaction to frustration, annoyance, or any situation that causes great anger. It's important to use this phrase in the right context. It's quite a strong expression, so you wouldn't use it for a mild annoyance. It's best reserved for situations where someone is really infuriated. Also, because it's quite informal, it's more suitable for personal conversations rather than formal contexts. And there you have it. Now you know what spitting nails means and how to use it like a native. We hope this video has made you a bit more comfortable with English idioms and that you're feeling confident about adding this expressive phrase to your vocabulary. Until our next video, keep practicing, and don't let anything make you spit nails. Goodbye and happy learning!